A miracle is something that we always look forward and something we would wish to see. Madalas ang akala po natin na ang milagro ay yung mga malalaki, dakila o bonggang mga bagay o kaya mga talagang tanyag na bagay. But little did we know, miracles happen even in the simplicity of our daily existence. The mere fact that we are alive today, the mere fact that we are blessed in one way or another, we are living, we are all here, that is miracle. You are a miracle. But miracles, my dear brothers and sisters, cannot be placed outside the context of God. Miracles cannot be placed outside the goodness of God for us. It was the reminder of St. James in our first reading. All good giving came from God or comes from God. Sa madaling sabi, ang lahat ng milagro, simple man o dakila, galing sa Diyos. But if we are preparing ourselves to witness a miracle that is always in close contact with God, it is good as well to see how ourselves are preparing for it. Tinanong ni Jesus ang kanyang mga alagad, after these men witnessed for themselves the multiplication of the loaves and the fishes, do you not yet understand or comprehend? Are your hearts hardened? Do you have eyes and not see, ears and not hear? It is as if Jesus did great things in front of them, but they were not prepared for it. They could have been looking for something else. They were not ready for it. My dear friends, sometimes the Lord is ready to shower great miracles for us, but we cannot even prepare our hearts to receive such. God has been doing miracles for each of us every day, but our hearts are hardened, our eyes cannot see, our ears cannot hear. Sa pagharap ng milagro, mahirap ang may pusong bato. Baka kaya hindi makita ang milagro, hindi pa pala handa ang puso. If we are preparing for something, if we are to witness a great thing in our lives, kung may pinagdadasal tayong gusto nating makita at hinihiling natin, kung may hinaharap tayo sa bawat araw, then on our end, let us witness a miracle, or let us witness miracles with gracious hearts, with warm hearts, rather than with a hardened one. This will be the common theme of the season that we will be entering by tomorrow. If we all listen to the voice of the Lord, if we wish to listen to the voice of the Lord, let us not harden our hearts. Miracles are of God, then be ready how God is ready to show a miracle for you. Harapin ang milagro ng may mabiyayang puso at hindi may pusong bato.